Now, in the example site we're building throughout these videos, we have an expectation from the client of how our site is supposed to look on a desktop. And we're going to have to make some decisions about how it looks ourselves as the browser gets smaller in size. Now, if we decide that we're not going to change anything about our site and we'll just let that browser get smaller, but we won't really change the layout or do anything to respond to that change in size, then our site will probably be functional, but it will be difficult to use. There will likely be some horizontal scrolling, and there will be some elements that aren't important to that mobile user. But if we went about it the other direction, where we built a mobile site that is a site that's suitable for the smallest of screens, and then we viewed that site on a desktop screen, it would still be very usable because we don't expect the user to have a bunch of screen space. So as a front-end developer, if we can focus on just building a mobile site, we could completely ignore the desktop version and the site would still be usable on bigger screen sizes. And so for many front-end developers, if we can, it's nice to be able to use that approach. It feels like we can deliver a better solution to the client in a shorter amount of time.